Quite curious, maybe thus they're just developing very late, it's not impossible. Also does happen sometimes that you get tuskless females. Not so much around here, but as you go to other parts of Africa it can be relatively common even. See this younger elephant hanging around with that one, just seeing what it's eating, learning from it. Elephants learn a lot from each other, everything from the matriarch down to young ones learning each other little things as well. Right, now you want to go to the left there, sorry, I kept on talking as you're panning. Beautiful view there to the left. Let's just get you a little forward as well. Oh, fantastic. Look at the sedge grasses there. Hey. Little head shake. Looks like another mother and calf. Although there's also very strong bonds between family members. So a young elephant might behave towards an aunt in a very similar fashion to the way it might behave towards a mother. In other words, there's a close knit structure. They know each other well. As we try and look behind us, I know this is tricky again. That little one, it might be a little nervous, we're just going to sit nice and still. Obviously it got separate from the group, but again, just giving us slightly big ears. It should come right past us here. Hey little one. But again, not even running to get to them. See, if we turned our engine on there and tried to move or something like that, it would have just made that little one a little bit nervous. So the fact that we sit nice and calm just keeps it sort of in a state where it's like, oh well, they're not bothering us. The whole herd can stay relaxed with us. Hey, hey, back to the group. Just a meter or two forward, a few feet. Oh, I do love these riverbeds, just such a stunning scene and setting as well. Long thick grasses, sedges. Look at that, beautiful. That is sitting close to them now. You see elephants in the background to the side. Oh, look at that. I've started mentioning a few times the feelings and thoughts I've had around these little birds, and both how they represent what WildEarth does in a way of sort of following things around and never giving up as well. That's another trait of Drongos. But I've also always personally enjoyed them. I think they're just fantastic little birds. So to see them with an elephant right in the background, it's just nice. I could not have imagined this when we started the drive this afternoon, when we sort of spoke about just a bit of a relaxed drive and just enjoy the weather. But to see so many of them together, totally comfortable with us being here. Look at that little one suckling. And in this beautiful setting of the Mulwati riverbed, one of my favorite parts of Western Gari as well. So I could not have imagined something better than this. Even if I tried really hard, and I've got a pretty active imagination. back right leg of that female on the far, climbing over the leadwood log. And again, they're learning. Look at that young one. It's watching what is mum digging up. What is that? Smelling it, tasting it. This is how they learn different food sources. And of course, this time of year also a very important time to learn what to eat. Summertime it's much easier. There's an abundance of food. Now in winter they've got to supplement various things like bark and different sort of tubers they can dig out. Amazing, you can actually sense the attention this little one is paying, concentrating. Got to remember what this is. Look how delicate they move. She's kicking into the sand, they're digging it open using those front nails. Right up against the youngster and not even once knocking into the baby. Animals are very space aware as well. They don't just blunder into things and fall over things. Oh, and then she's moving a bit of a log around. She's maybe looking for some grass in there that nothing else has gotten to.